I'm Ken Wilson, owner of Pristine Clean, and I want to talk to you about a revolutionary new service, the Pristine Roof Renew. The service is for older shingles between 7 and 20 years old that are not quite ready for replacement, but that could definitely use a shot of new life. Here's how it works. The Pristine Roof Renew is an asphalt shingle rejuvenation service that replaces the oils and resins that have been lost on an aging roof. This process restores your roof's flexibility and waterproofing protection while also reducing the loss of the shingle's protective top granule coating. Roof Renew will extend the life of your shingles by 5 to 15 years, which will save you a bundle of money, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Now that we got all the technical stuff out of the way, does it really work? I wasn't sure, so I tried it for myself. My home was the very first roof that we treated. The house was a perfect candidate. 15 years old, not quite ready for replacement yet, a little wear from me running around on the roof putting up Christmas lights, and the roof just looked drab. It's not an overstatement to say that I was shocked. The shingles looked brighter and more vibrant. The performance of the roof was awesome too. The shingles were no longer rigid and hard, they were malleable and could be bent again. And the roof granules that would come rolling down every time I put up my Christmas lights, well, they stayed put. So take it from me. Sure, I'm one of the owners of Pristine Clean, but I am a totally satisfied and wowed client. The Pristine Roof Renew is as advertised. It's quite literally a fountain of youth for your roof.